I'm Todd Romero here at the soothing Ageless Aesthetics in Cherry Creek North. The physician-owned and operated medical skincare and laser clinic provides safe and effective skincare treatments using a range of the latest non-surgical procedures for age spots, wrinkles, laser hair removal, and acne. As we age, collagen loss weakens skin's inner structure, reducing the ability to maintain elasticity and moisture. This can lead to lines, wrinkles, and folds, as well as a loss of skin volume and support. Hyaluronic acid fillers address these lines, wrinkles, and folds, but a product called Sculptra Aesthetic works with your body to revitalize its own collagen production, helping to restore your skin's inner structure. Sculptra's microparticles are absorbed by the skin, stimulating collagen production and creating a framework that helps restore facial volume over the course of 3 treatment sessions over the course of a few months. Sculptra works subtly and gradually over time for a more youthful looking appearance that can last for more than 2 years.
I was a little scared not knowing how deep the needle was going to go, but with Dr. Paris, it was all good. Sculptra takes about 4 to 6 weeks for the full final result. So this being my 3rd treatment, I'm starting to notice great results.
My next model is Jennifer, and we're going to do a Sculptra treatment on Jennifer. Sculptra is made of polyalactic acid, which is going to stimulate Jennifer's own collagen and give more of a slower volumization, but more of a tone and texture to her skin. I start up usually at the temple area and I just work my way down just to kind of help give her some structure to her face and some slight volumization. You'll see increased volume because it is made with sterile water, but that will absorb over the next few days. Her skin has been prepped with HEPA-Cleanse and alcohol. Within the Sculptra is sterile water, like I mentioned, and lidocaine. Sculptra is a good product for a person that's done a lot of the HA, hyaluronic acid fillers. Just wants a little, I call it like a little pop, a little tone, texture, little volumization, but it still looks like her. The thought is this is going to add structure and support and help with lift and give her a more youthful look. And I'll just frame all the way around, and I'll come down jawline some here too. This treatment usually does require at least 2, sometimes 3 treatments, spaced out about 2 to 3 months. It takes a little bit of time to stimulate that collagen, so you don't want to do another treatment in less than 2 months. And Jennifer, this is your 3rd treatment. And if you look at her before picture, she has had a nice improvement, tone, texture, a little bit of volume, but it still looks like her, just a more youthful. Okay, on to the left side of her face here, and again we'll start up by the temple, but she doesn't need a lot. She's gotten a good response up here. Again, the temple area, almost like I said, framing it. You don't want to go in an area where there's a lot of mobility of muscles around the mouth, underneath the eye. You can kind of form a nodularity, which is treatable, but it's something, a complication I don't want to really deal with, so I avoid the eyes and I avoid above the lip. I'll stay on the marionette down here, but I won't come into an area where she has a lot of mobility. And it's one of those things you just want to kind of take your time and use a really good technique. Kind of a fanning technique where I just kind of stay in there and I just kind of fan, fan, fan. Less pokes. We're just kind of staying in the same area there. We're just kind of fanning your needle there for her. I need to now do a little bit of massage to her face for the product, because again, you don't want it to form any nodularity, and the patient's take-home instructions are to massage their face 5 times a day for 5 minutes for 5 days to help prevent little nodules and things. I still prefer the hyaluronic acids as my main filler, but Sculptra really does complement the tone and texture of a patient's skin.
I noticed an initial result right away, probably the next day. My face looked just a little bit fuller. They call it the Sculptra glow, and people told me that my skin looked like it was glowing, so that was nice to hear. You are looking to address fine lines and wrinkles or any part of the aging process, and you want natural looking results, I would say try Sculptra.
With exceptional service and staff of highly trained skincare estheticians, I recommend their offer of a complimentary skin consultation to plan the best treatment to suit your individual needs. Ageless beauty is just minutes away. Schedule your consultation today.